welcome to the Car Areas, and today we are reviewing the all-new Hyundai Alcazar, and this is a section 7-seater SUV from the Hyundai. Well, this SUV is launched with so many premium features in this segment and a great competitor among Tata Safari MG Hector Plus, XUV 500 and many more other cars of this segment. Well, this car comes with an engine option of 1.5 litre with diesel and 2 litre with petrol. The engine displacement is 4 cylinders and 4 valves inline DOHC. The steering mounted controls are so easy to operate. From here you can adjust the mode and can adjust the volume button and can change the songs from next to previous, and on the right you get to see the cruise control and many more functions related to the instrument cluster. From here you can adjust the modes of the instrument cluster and can see the speedometer, mileage, fuel to empty, odometer and many more functions. The automatic variant gets paddle shifters in the steering wheel. The car instrument cluster gets different drive modes like Comfort, Eco, Sports and different traction controls too for sand, mud and snow. And the car gets 10-inch fully digital instrument cluster with different modes. Here on the door you get to see outside ORPM's controls and power windows controls too. From here you can select different drive modes like Sports, Eco and Comfort. Here you get to see the electronic parking brake with auto hold and 360-degree view camera. And here you get to see the automatic transmission, which can also be converted to sports gearbox. The piano black theme in the interior gives the car a premium look. The car gets 10-inch multimedia touchscreen with BlueLink connectivity and many more features. And from this touchscreen we can set and adjust many functions and can change instrument cluster settings. And from here we can also turn on the automatic ventilation seat option. This car comes with a Bose sound system and with 8 speakers setup, which gives a premium sound feel inside the car. Well, from here you can browse to different categories in the touchscreen, and this car gets the air purifier too, which can be controlled from touchscreen and can be controlled from here too. The touchscreen gets an option of inbuilt map. From here you can set map location. From vehicle setting you can also adjust the colors of ambient lighting, which comes with 64 colors and gives a nice feel inside the car. Doors get ambient lighting too. Below the screen you will get to see some functions for volume setup, change song, media map and many more functions. The car gets reverse camera and 360-degree camera too, which is surprisingly impressive at this price of point. Car gets cameras on ORVMs in rear, in front, and while reversing the car it shows moving adapted lines, which works brilliantly fine. The car gets huge panoramic sunroof which gives this car airy feel and the cabin feels light and spacious because of the sunroof. The car gets huge roof rails but they are not functionable. In the rear, the car gets full LED tail lamp but indicators and reverse lights get halogen bulbs. While car gets LED headlamps with trio beam setup in front and LED fog lamps too. The pricing of the Alcazar starts from 91.45 lakhs and goes up to Rs 23.25 lakhs for top variant on road. Well, this car comes in three variants: Prestige, Platinum and Signature. Here in the 6-seater variant of the Alcazar, you get to see the two captain seats in the second row and two in the third row. Here in the center, you get to see a center armrest with some empty storage inside that. You get to see two cup holders, and between that you get to see a wireless charging pad, which is the first in this segment. Here you get to see two rear AC vents and below that you get to see a USB charging port. Here in the third row the car gets AC vents and below that the blower speed control and a USB charging socket too. The car gets 64 colors ambient lighting which gives a premium touch to the car. User gets automatic climate control from the base variant. From here you can select different automatic temperatures. And from here you can select rear on and off button for the second row, and there are many more functions like rear defogger, and from here you can turn on and off AC. The mileage of this car is claimed to be around 12 to 16 kilometers in city and on highway. The tire size here is to be 215/50 R18 inches with alloy wheels. Well, the Alcazar gets dual exhaust. Alcazar produces 113 horsepower at 4000 rpm and 250 Nm of torque at 1500 rpm. The engine comes with a turbocharged which makes this car even more powerful. Well, this car comes within two types of transmission, manual and automatic transmission. The manual transmission of this car is very smooth and automatic transmission is also full of torque. The car is easy to operate and drive with light steering wheel, which makes this car easy to drive in streets and on urban and rural roads. The car gets McPherson straight with coil spring suspension in front and coupled torsion beam axle in rear. The suspensions are on the softer side, which makes this car even more comfortable.